Hello guy, welcome to my video where I reveal how I got a huge amount of points in Legend Slime with this incredible Lengend Slime hack. As you can see, I have a staggering number of gems. Let's get started now. Before you can use this method, go to Setting, go to Battery and turn off low power mode. If you're on Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First step, go to browser, which prefer for browsing Google Chrome and Safari, which available for Android and iOS. Next step, go to the website called upmode.us/VIP. As the matter of fact, we're on the main page. Pop the app, click the button to start the inject to continue the process. Pop the app, click the button to start the inject to continue the process. To finish this process, first you need to download this 2 game. The final step, you need to play each game for 30 seconds to complete the task. Final result.